Up next, we have one of my absolute favorites, Cristobal Balenciaga, and I'll tell you why he's my favorite in a minute. He was born in 1895. His fashion house is Balenciaga. That is obviously a house that's still in working progress today. He was a dressmaker's dressmaker. He was a fashion designer in the most traditional sense of how we think about fashion designers. Some of the designers we covered, they don't necessarily have the technical skills to design a dress. They know how to, they're a good business person, they have an eye for fashion, and they're able to hire the appropriate people to sort of cut and execute the designs. What I love about Balenciaga is he was a traditional dressmaker who learned from his mother, who was a dressmaker, who designed and made dresses for a lot of the society elites in their area in Spain. And he picked up a lot of that, and he was one of the few that could master. He could make his own haute couture dress by himself without any assistance from anyone else and have it be impeccable. And I think a lot of you are probably thinking, well, like, don't all designers know how to do that? Isn't that like, no, not necessarily, especially not today. There's just so many different kinds of arenas where you can hire people in different steps of the design process. But he was one of the few that can do it from sketch all the way to the finished garment. And I just thought that was fantastic. He was known for Spanish-inspired designs. He was, again, an expert dressmaker. Some of his pieces, you'll see the boleros and the beading and this very matador sort of style where there was heavy embroidery and those kinds of things. And those are something that he took from his heritage in Spain. Again, his key features were extravagant gowns, satin silk ball gowns, and bold colors. So the House of Balenciaga is still alive and kicking today, and it's still known for those same things. Just very what we think about when we think about fashion, and what many of you, myself enjoy about fashion is just this very romantic, beautiful, princess-like ball gowns and beading. And one of the reasons why I wanted to get into fashion is because I wanted to create those kinds of things. And this is why he's one of my most favorite designers, because that was his aesthetic. He dies in 1972. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. Videos are uploaded weekly covering dressmaking, fashion, lectures, and more. Enroll in Lady Cloth U on Teachable for dressmaking and fashion design courses. See you again soon.